Bonjour, it's Anne. A quick video today. I would like to tell you about two book recommendations that I have for people who want to create their own small business, and especially for people who, like me, come from a maker's background. Okay, so as you know, I'm primarily a glass bead maker, and it's really not something easy to create a business around what was a passion. Okay, and so this book here, the E-Myth, this is the revisited version, but it's the concept which is important, from Michael Gerber. I think that's how you pronounce it. At least that's how you would pronounce it here in Switzerland. um, it is about E stands for entrepreneur, and it is about the challenges and the mindset um, that the people who are transforming a passion into a business face. Okay, and it's really, really very important. It's a very important book. You have to read it. Absolutely, you have to uh, become aware of what those challenges are, and you'll necessarily recognize yourself in there unless you've approached your business creation from a purely business point of view, which no creator that I know does. Okay, and you'll understand why when you read this book. uh, Chances are that you absolutely need to think about that. Sorry, and to think about it as fast as possible, as quickly as possible in the process of trying to develop your business. Okay, so I can't recommend this book enough. It's really, really important. And of course, oh yes, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and then to subscribe to my channel. And of course, I'll put links to these books in the description below this video. The second book that is really very important for me is this one. It's called Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. Once again, oh, Michalowicz. I'm not sure how to pronounce it the right way. And it's really about an alternative accounting method which makes total sense and which enables you to put money on the side from the start and not to wait until you're quote unquote profitable to do so. Okay, and it's not completely the standard accounting method also, although it will work for your taxes and everything, but um, it is really important at least to understand the principles. Okay, even if you don't apply it to the letter, if you understand the principles, then there's a good chance that you will be making money a lot faster than if you were following the usual methods of accounting. Okay, it's really easy to read. It's not very technical in terms of accounting. You don't need to be a certified accountant to understand it at all. It's made for the business owners. Okay, and so these two books are, and once again, of course, I'll put a link to this book in the comments below. And really, these two books are really crucial because uh, you need to think about money as fast as possible. And very often there's a process which is actually described in the other book. This one, no, where is it? Here. This one. Okay, sorry, I lost it. This one, the E-Myth Revisited, um, about what happens when someone loves something and wants to turn it into a business. And you can lose your passion pretty fast if you don't pay attention. If you just go along with the flow without thinking things out, and you just uh, uh, start losing money basically. And there are reasons for that, and this is what this book explains, and then this one explains how not to lose money. Okay, and so I can encourage you enough to read those two books. They've been crucial for me, and I'd love to hear what you have to say about that. If you want to discuss them, um, I invite you to join my private Facebook group. I'll also put a link in the comments below, and we can create a discussion topic for these books. So I look forward to seeing you there. And that's all for today. Bye.